everybody. We are finally back to do session number 3 on the roof and try to finish this up. The weather is finally cooperating. It's sunny. It's been so much rain recently. So I've also relocated the trailer back over to my dad so I can leave it here and come and work on it in between days of rain. We are today going to try to finish the roof. So let's have a look. This is where we left off last time. We have the 2 quadrants done along with some experimentation on how to finish this front curved portion. These little bowl corners are going to be the most challenging. I'm going to start with kind of just polishing off this section. There's still a lot more of the black tar on it. I was able, you can see over here that, well, maybe you can't really tell, but there's less of it on this one than it is on this one. So I'm going to do a quick sand of this, and then I believe I'm going to start on this side today above the service side door. Here we are at the start of a new day, and we are going to tackle this very last section of the roof, and then it'll soon be all perfectly sanded and ready for a fresh coat.